Imagine a world that you never knew, right above us and it's filled with people just like me and you. We don't need to make a reservation, no, it's not a ruse. I could take you to the spot, but there's one thing you gotta do. Tell me how much that it means for you to follow your dreams. How much money would it take for you to leave everything behind and be with who you're meant to be together at last? Fly away to something better than the years that have passed. Take a big step forward, we embrace the unknown. The anxiety you're feeling will fill up in every bone, but you're destined to be greater, don't believe in your mind. You want something out the ordinary, living divine. This place is better than you've ever known. It ain't a lie, because I've seen it and I felt it with my hands in my eyes. I'll take it over any